calling all ladies. Does menopause have you feeling more like a deflated balloon instead of a powerful goddess? Time to power up with protein. Let's get started. Hey my beautiful viewers. Welcome back to your favorite health and beauty channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community. I've got a hot topic for you today, ladies. Menopause. And before you click away, let me assure you this is a menopause conversation you'll actually want to stick around for. Because we're talking about how to power through menopause at your best. And it all starts with one magic ingredient, protein. Did you know, as we age, and especially during menopause, we start to lose muscle mass? I know, another joy of aging, right? But there's a method to the madness. When we hit menopause, our bodies start to produce less estrogen, which is a key player in maintaining our muscle mass. Less estrogen means we start to lose muscle, which is a problem because muscle is like our body's natural fat burner. The more muscle we have, the more calories we burn. The less muscle we have, well, the more flabby we can become. So what can we do? Simple, pack in the protein. Let's talk about 8 protein-rich foods to boost muscle growth and reduce fat during menopause, with the protein punch they pack per serving. One. Eggs. A hard-boiled egg gives you 6 grams of protein per serving. Talk about starting the day off strong. 2. Greek yogurt, with 17 grams per 6 ounces. It's perfect for a quick high-protein snack or breakfast. 3. Lean meats. A lean cut of beef packs in around 22 grams of protein for every 3 ounces. 4. Lentils. 1 cup cooked can deliver a whopping 18 grams of protein. 5. Tofu. Half a cup of tofu can serve you with 10 grams of protein. A perfect addition to your stir-fries. 6. Fish. A 3-ounce serving of salmon comes in around 17 grams of protein and a healthy dose of omega-3s. 7. Quinoa. 1 cooked cup brings 8 grams of protein to your plate. 8. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, for instance, have 6 grams of protein per ounce. A perfect on-the-go snack. There you have your 8 protein champions to help you boost muscle growth and reduce fat during menopause. Do remember, you need to pump some iron and keep or incorporate muscle building exercises into your routine to have that muscle too. As always, remember balance is key. Pair these protein-rich foods with a colorful array of fruits and vegetables, and whole grains for a well-rounded diet. Hit like if you found this video helpful and share it with all the fabulous ladies in your life. Stay radiant and remember, your menopause journey is just another path to becoming the incredible woman. Health is beauty. Thank you for watching.